Education can help you rediscover new opportunities for yourself. लेकिन your student loan might have you worried about the future. After all, student loans का second word यानी कि loans आपकी student life को negatively impact कर सकता है by keeping you worried. But fear not. Here are 6 strategies जिनके थ्रू आप student loans को navigate कर सकते हो with great ease. Number 1. Enroll for auto-pay. Auto-pay का मतलब है कि आपकी monthly installment automatically आपके chosen account से deduct हो जाएगी. This keeps your repayment on track and some providers will also give you a 0.25% discount on your interest rate. Win-win situation, isn't it? Number 2. Do bi-weekly repayments. Bi-weekly repayments करने से आप एक ईयर के 52 वीक्स में से हर 2 वीक्स में अपने मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट का हाफ पेमेंट करोगे. In this way, you will make an extra installment every year and this will save you both interest and some tenure of your remaining debt. Number 3. Prevent accumulation of interest. अगर आप ग्रेस पीरियड के एंड होने के पहले accumulating interest repay कर देते हो तो you will avoid paying interest on the accumulating interest. साथ ही you will also have a slightly smaller amount to pay back before your grace period ends. Number 4. Consider refinancing. अगर आपकी education complete हो गई है and you are in a steady job तो आप एक second loan लेकर अपना existing loan pay कर सकते हो. Remember, this makes sense only when the second loan is given to you at a lower interest rate. And this will be possible if you have a good credit score. Number 5. Use that raise wisely. Did you just receive a raise? इस extra money का 50% आप student loan repayment fast track करने में use कर सकते हो. The rest 30% can be saved and 20% can be kept for discretionary spending. Number 6. Invest before borrowing. If you are employed right now and can manage to save and invest small amounts regularly, then you will need to borrow less when your study starts. Moreover, earning returns on this early investment can help you offset some amount of interest on your borrowed amount later. Explore options like ELSS, equity, FDs, etc. based on your risk appetite, of course. Treating your student loans as a debt that you need to get rid of ASAP can help you alleviate significant stress. Consider all the ways in which you can achieve this, and once you are done, then start investing aggressively to strengthen your finances. Everyone can invest and so can you. Angel Broking wishes you the best on your journey to financial independence and success. Visit www.angelbroking.com to learn more.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.